Today I'm going to show you how to make this crop top. What you need is a piece of fabric. I recommend using a thin fabric because of the shirring. I am using an old polyester scarf. You also need some pins, a ruler or measuring tape, elastic thread and standard thread in a matching color, scissors and some chalk or a pen to draw with. The top consists of 2 front pieces, 1 back piece and 2 straps. The length of the first front piece should be about 2 times the front bust measurement. The length of the back piece should be 2 times the back measurement. Let's start with the first front piece. I am cutting out a rectangle of 86 by 13.5 centimeters. Now make 2 cm pleats with 2 cm space between them. Take in 2 cm, fold it over and pin it down. Repeat this and make sure there is about 2 cm space between all pleats. Don't start the first pleat too close to the edge. Leave some space at each end of the fabric. Secure the pleats by stitching across them on both sides of the fabric. Now let's cut out the second front piece. The width should be the same as the pleated piece. For the length, measure the distance from under the breast till the waist. I chose a length of 17 centimeters. Connect the 2 front pieces right sides together. Stitch along the edge, but make sure the stitch on the pleated piece will not be visible on the outside. The bottom stitch is the one securing the pleats, the top stitch is the one connecting the 2 pieces. You can use a zigzag stitch to prevent the edges from fraying. Now let's cut out the back piece. I am cutting out a rectangle of 86 by 22 centimeters. The shirring will make this piece about 2 times smaller. Hem the 2 edges before shirring. Draw evenly spaced lines on the right side of the fabric. I am drawing lines every 1 centimeter. Wind the bobbin by hand with the elastic thread and insert it into the sewing machine. The thread through the needle remains a standard thread. Now stitch along the lines with the right side of the fabric facing upwards. At the start and end of a line, I am making a few small stitches to secure the elastic thread. Then use a long stitch length to stitch from end to end. You can make a knot at each side to prevent the elastic thread from sliding out. Make sure to stretch out the fabric while stitching across the lines. Mark where to attach the back piece to the front piece. Hem the bottom edge of the front piece. Don't forget to change the thread in the bobbin. Attach the two pieces together. Try on the top before stitching to make sure it fits properly. Fold over the sides of the front piece and sew it in place. Make sure the pleats remain intact. I decided to make the neckline less straight by stitching over the pleats again in a curved line. If you want a completely straight neckline, you can skip this step. Finish off the edge of the neckline with a zigzag stitch. Hem the edge by folding over once. Make sure the stitch over the pleats is not visible on the outside. Now cut out two long straps. Mine are 2 cm in width and 50 cm long. Fold the straps right sides together. Stitch along the outer edge of the strap. Turn the straps inside out using needle and thread. Attach the straps to the back and front of the bodice. Let's see the final result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.